everyone, I am thrilled to have you here at the orientation session for our comprehensive Scrum Master training course. Whether you are a seasoned professional in the IT world or someone stepping into Agile for the first time, this course is going to cover you all. Before we dive into the exciting world of Scrum, let's take a moment and know each other first. Before we dive into the exciting journey together, let me share a bit about myself and set the stage for our interactive learning experience. I am Anila Liaquat, your guide on this transformative adventure through agile methodologies, with a background steeped in software engineering and a passion for fostering collaboration and adaptive approaches. I am here to facilitate a dynamic and engaging learning experience for all. I bring over a decade of experience in IT industry, degree in software engineering and certification as a Scrum Master and product owner and many more. My passion for learning, coaching and mentoring has been the driving force behind my diverse roles in the corporate world. I like to transfer my practical knowledge so that others can benefit from it. That is why I am here as your trainer of this course. Now, it's your turn. As it is important for you to know who is talking and what, at the same time it is very important for me to know about my audience. I would like to hear about your background and expectations from this course, so please go and write in comments. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a newcomer to Agile concepts, your diversified perspective will enrich our discussions and guide the course content. Your feedback is invaluable for tailoring the learning journey to meet the needs of our diversified audience. So let's embark on this productive and fun-filled learning experience together, ensuring that every step of the way contributes to your growth and success in the Agile world. Your thoughts matter a lot, as I want you to take the maximum advantage from this course. And if we need to tweak things along the way, we are cool to do that. Once again, welcome and thank you for joining. Let's take this journey together. Our journey begins with a simple yet powerful vision: learn to serve and serve to learn. This course is not just about mastering Scrum, it's about embracing a mindset to continue learning and service that will empower you to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of the Agile methodologies. Now, let's take a quick look at what lies ahead. In this comprehensive Scrum Master training course, we will explore the fundamentals of Agile and Scrum, delve deep into the responsibilities of a Scrum Master that tackle advanced concepts crucial for your success in the role. From building high-performing team to handling real-world challenges, we have got it all covered. Our mission is clear: to bridge the gap between the educational system and industrial needs. We aim to empower you with practical skills that not only meet but grow in the face of market challenges. Together, we will ensure your continued relevance in the dynamic world of Agile software industries. Let's take a quick look on course goals. It will provide participants with a thorough understanding of Agile principles, values, and how they form the foundation for the Scrum framework. It equips participants with a deep knowledge of the Scrum framework, including its roles, events, artifacts, and the interactions that drive successful Agile development. It will enable participants to assume the Scrum Master role confidently, focusing on their responsibilities as facilitator, coaches, and leaders within Agile teams. Other than that, it will also introduce participants to advanced Scrum concepts such as scaling Scrum, continuous improvement, and Agile coaching techniques, preparing them to address challenges in the real world of scenarios. It will develop participants' skills in effective communication and stakeholder management, emphasizing the crucial role Scrum Master play in facilitating transparent, and collaborative environment. It will assist participants in preparing for the Scrum Master certification exam by providing comprehensive coverage of the curriculum and offering tips and strategies for the exam success. Also encourage participants to apply their knowledge through real-world case studies, enabling them to analyze successful Scrum implementation and learn from challenges and failures. Now, let's take a look on the outcomes from this course. You might be wondering why Scrum? Well, Scrum is more than just a framework, it's a mindset that transforms how teams collaborate and deliver value. In the fast-paced world of IT and software development, Scrum provides a flexible and adaptive approach that enables teams to grow. And guess what? As a Scrum Master, you are at the heart of it all. Let's take a look at some key benefits you will get on this completion of course. First one is you will gain in-depth knowledge and skills that are directly applicable to the current industry standards and demands, as we will provide you the practical experience. You will position yourself for career growth by acquiring the expertise needed to excel in the role of a Scrum Master, a passion highly required in agile environments. Also, it's going to build confidence in your ability to lead agile teams, address challenges, and facilitate continuous improvement, enhancing your overall competence as a Scrum Master. You will learn not only theoretical concepts but also practical applications through case studies and real-world scenarios, ensuring the ability to apply knowledge in diversified situations. You will be connected with a community of like-minded professionals, fostering network opportunities and the exchange of experience and insights within the agile community. On the other hand, you will enjoy a flexible learning experience that allows you to progress at your own pace, accommodating diverse learning styles and professional commitments. You will also be well prepared for Scrum Master certification exam, increasing the possibility of success and validating your expertise in Agile and Scrum. You will cultivate a mindset of continuous learning, serving as a foundation of ongoing professional development and adaptability in the ever-evolving field of Agile software development. The course is designed to be flexible to accommodate various learning paces. Participants can progress through modules at their own speed, ensuring a comfortable and effective learning experience. The course is divided into modules, each covering specific aspects of Agile, Scrum, and the Scrum Master role. Participants are encouraged to follow the recommended sequence for a logical and comprehensive understanding of the content. All course material, including lectures, presentations, and supplementary resources, are available on the SkillUpWorld YouTube channel. Participants have perpetual access to the course content, allowing for review and reinforcement of concepts. Recommended readings and resources are provided for participants seeking a deeper understanding for specific topics. Some resources such as presentations, slides, and additional material are available for download. Participants are encouraged to engage in discussions on the YouTube channel, fostering a community of learners. Periodic live question and answer sessions will be conducted to address participants' questions and other concerns. Supplementary assignments may be provided to reinforce learning and allow participants to apply theoretical knowledge. Participants can evaluate their understanding through self-assessment quizzes and activities. The course includes guidance on preparing for Scrum Master certification exam, covering key topics and providing tips for success. Mock exams and sample questions may be provided to help participants assess their readiness for certification. SkillUpWorld maintains a social media presence on platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, where participants can connect and share their insights. Periodic virtual events, webinars, or discussions may be organized to facilitate networking and community building. The course content is accessible on various devices including computer, tablets, and smartphones, so it can be available wherever YouTube is. A stable internet connection is required for streaming videos and participating in online discussions. Participants are encouraged to provide feedback on the course content and structure. The course will be updated based on participant feedback and incorporate the latest industry trends. As an exciting addition to our learning journey, I am thrilled to announce that we will launch the Expert Insight series and podcast at the end of this course. This series will feature interviews with seasoned professionals, thought leaders, and agile experts, providing you with invaluable insights and perspective from the forefront of the industry. By tapping into the wealth of experience and diverse expertise of our guests, we aim to deepen your understanding of agile methodologies. This podcast is not just the extension but continuation of your learning experience, offering a platform to explore exact topics, discussions, practical challenges, and get expert advices. Get ready to be inspired and gain fresh insights as we bring you closer to the pulse of Agile through these engaging conversations. Your journey doesn't end with the course, it evolves into a dynamic exploration of Agile excellence with the Expert Insights series and podcast. As we embark on this transformative learning journey together, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for instant access to our course update, bonus content, and the latest insights. Don't miss out the valuable discussion and community engagements. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Connect with us beyond YouTube channel and follow us on other social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Join the conversation, share your thoughts, and be part of a vibrant community commitment to continuous learning and growth. Your active participation enriches the SkillUpWorld experiences, so let's stay connected and grow together. It's time to conclude our orientation session, and I invite you all embark on this transformative journey with an open mind and commitment to continuous learning. See you in our upcoming first session where we will explore Agile values and principles to set the stage of Agile learning. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to guide you through the world of Scrum. See you in our upcoming session 1 where we will explore Agile values and principles to set the stage of Agile learning. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to guiding you through the world of Scrum. Stay connected, and I'll see you in our next session.